Students, today we will see our new chapter, that is ethics in ICT, that is information communication technology. So in this how the ethics are very important for our information collection and information storing or preserving, and when we are searching on the internet, what the ethics we have to follow, that the rules we need to learn. Because when we are collecting the information from internet through the Google, through the Yahoo, or through the different Reddit mail, these are the search engines are there, and when you are searching the information from these different search engines, the authenticity of the information is very important first. Second thing, you should not to store anyone information without their any given any intimation to them. So this very important. Okay. So now we will see what is the information communication technology. That is the information communication technology ethics is the study of ethical issues arising out of the use and development of electronic technologies. Means we are not using the method which is written materialist deal, but what we are using, the what the electronic technologies developed, that when we are using or when we are giving to access to others, that needs to develop some ethics, what the principle should be there before using or after using, after use. Now its goal is to identify the formulate answers to questions about the moral basis of individual responsibilities. Means the individual responsibilities are there when you are using and searching information. Also, where you are using this information, whether for your personal use or whether it is for the just giving to another person on the social medias. So the authenticity or the authors their recognition is very important. So the what actions you are taking with that information, as well as the moral understandings of the public policy. So this is very important for the ethics in the ICT. When we are using for the public, it should not to be a vague information, just imaginary information. It should have the some scientific base. Next, the ethical issues in ICTs are there. Some ICT components used to store, fetch and manipulate the information at the minimum level with the server having an operating system. So where the information is stored? At the server. So with the operating system we are storing the information, and that while storing information it also have some rules and regulations. Information technology have a wide area of application in education, in business, health, industry, banking sector also it's very important, and the scientific research at the large level, because it's using the references from the other persons, what they have done in their researches, and when you are publishing on the internet, it's open to all. Again you are mention the C in the that round, that is the copyright, means no one can use that information without your consent. For security and privacy issues are the main impacts of the ITC. So when you are using the IT sources, the security and privacy of that content is very important. So now we will see the what ethical issues have find out. That one, the personal privacy of the information or that person who have published the data, access the right on information, harmful actions on data, patents, copyrights, trade sectors are there, and in the trade sectors some secrets are there, how their tradings are very popular and how they are gaining more that profit from that trades. So that trades also mentioned in that IT sectors. So that IT should not to be leak the information, that person should not to be leak information, that ethics are developed for the every companies and every person. Copyrights are there, liabilities, next the privacy. So liabilities means who is responsible that information, the data. Next one, who will upload it, who will update it, and the privacy of the content. They should not to be get by the anyone person without consent of the authors. So these are the ethical issues we find while we are using the ICT. So this is the personal privacy. What is the personal privacy? That it is an important ethical issue in the information technology. So it facilitates the users having own hardware, operating system, their own servers and the software tools to access the servers, so that are connected to each other and to the users by the network. So every company has their own server rooms, has their own hardwares, has their own data rooms and data servers, so that no one can use that data without the particular coding of that company. It can be accidental disclosure to inappropriate individuals and provision to protect the accuracy of your data, and it comes in the privacy issues. So if you crack their passwords and if you stolen that information, so you are doing the crime, because you are losing their personal privacy and you are doing it. Okay, so this is also a privacy personal privacy issues we have find in the ethical that ethics of the ICT. Next, the access the right. So as we know, we are searching so many information, so many windows we are opening on the YouTube, on the your Google search, so that you are having the high priority issues for the IT and cyber space. With that, the great development in the IT or technology, that is the e-commerce and electronic payments are there. So that evolution in the internet, these are the high trend issues for the various corporate organizations and the government agencies and personal, that every individuals also, because we are using the online purchasing, and at that time we are adding our information of the cards and our gateway of the payment, and at that time you are having the one high secured password. And some companies or some websites are there, they are just secured your data, and just whenever you have to go, just swipe that and you have to pay. No one OTP comes to you and no one data is asked for you, as in 4 numbers or the particular secured password, and the amount has been deducted from your account. So these type of sites, this type of access is very dangerous for your future. So this type of e-commerce access websites you have to stop immediately. Next, the generally intrusion detection system. Intrusion detection system are used to determine whether the user is an intruder or an appropriate user, because sometimes what happen, the appropriate user is not there, so you will not get the OTP. Okay, and as I just given the example to you, that intruder means what, they have just collected your information and just you have given while you are paying, they are just telling you pay through the card. When you are clicking on the card, they are just giving the one line to swipe it. So that is the intruder, they have just introduced you that you can pay from this also, but if you use it, you are giving your data to them. So some hackers are also sitting for their purposes, their benefits, they will really steal your data. Okay, so be careful when you are allowing your access to others. Some sites are asking you allow or block to these notifications. So see, every notification is not good for you and your mobile and your websites and your personal use. So don't allow any notifications whether you need it. Okay. Next, the harmful actions. Really, in ICT or IT, the hackers are very strategic persons or strategic activities are there. because these harmful actions in the computer ethics are the damaging and negativity results providing or creating on the IT, and it loses the information, loss of money, loss of property, loss of ownership also, and deduction of property also there. Next, undesirable substantial impacts also on the society. Hence, the all principles are developed for the benefits of the people. But what we are doing? We are just giving the access to hackers. How? By just saving an information on the websites, our passwords. And what we are doing? We are keeping our passwords similar, which is very near to the our some passwords, and it is very important to, you should not to do it. Every time, every after 15 days you have to change it, okay. And again, what the passwords are really close to your gateway payments or your phone pay or your Google Pay, that passwords you should not to keep for anyone another websites which you are rarely or regularly using. You have to change it regularly after 15 days. So, the outside of the users to any loss of the users, employees and employers, these are the general public also, it also impacting on them. So, typical issues are activities done to destruct the information and intentionally stolen the informations, files, programs and put some viruses, and these hackers are doing it drastically and tragically, and they are just kidding with the society. This type of information also we have with us, that is in 2000 K, that is year 2000 K, Y2K, that also virus spread over the all over universe, and the computers, the all over universe, it has the deleted all data which we have with us, and all over the universe they have faced this situation. So, if you have learned, just go and learn the what is Y2K, you will get the all information on the Google, okay. So, some people are doing these harmful actions, hackers are there, but be aware, don't go or visit anyone pop-up ads or blinking ads, and just keep away from this all if you are unknown about the e-commerce. Next one, the patents. It is difficult to deal with these types of ethical issues. A patent can preserve your unique and secret aspects of your idea. So, what is a patent? When you will get the patent? If you have different idea and if you have search one on it and you have published your data and your activity, and if government says that yes, it's unique and that activity is enrolled on your name, that you are getting the patent, and this patent you will can sell to anyone company if they want to take your idea, okay. So, the patent holder has the authority for the dealing, the holder has the legal informatives or formalities are there, and about their over researches and works. So, what they have research done, what the work they have done, what the product they have developed, so they can sell it to the companies by legal formalities, and by getting some amount, you will get the crores of rupees with your idea. A thorough disclosure is required with the software. The patent holder has to reveal the full details to a proficient program. So, a full information you have to need to give to them when you are sell your patent, okay. So, this also are information about the a very important ethics, how you have to save your patents, okay. So, we will see in the next class our remaining points.